So let's talk about these airport runs and pretty much how I run my Uber XL, Lyft XL routine on the weekend. I try to get up at 6 a.m., get out of the house by 6 a.m. That's, most of the time people are headed to the airport for those early flights. Those are the ones people need rides for the most, because ain't nobody trying to get up and take them to the airport that time of morning. So, and they always need rides. So I just got one, even though I didn't start today until 7 o'clock. So I'm a little late today, but still gonna make things happen. About to make this pickup and see where they at. And then, but yeah, how I run things on the weekend is I do not do any rides that are under $5. Uber and Lyft now pretty much shows you every single detail about the ride, the pickup, how far the pickup location is, what the drop-off point is, how much you're gonna make. If there's a pre-tip in there, if there's a bonus, a surge, everything is already presented for you. So like I said, if it's anything under $5, I do not take it. If the pickup time to pick somebody up is longer than 9 minutes, 9 minutes or longer, then I do not pick up the person. This one was only 7 minutes to the pickup location, so I went ahead and grabbed this one. Reason being, time is money with these apps, and the longer you take to pick somebody up, even if it's a little quick ride, that's more money taken away from you, or less rides you can take in a certain time frame. And I'm not trying to be out here all day. I usually only run from like 6 to 10, maybe 6 to 11, usually no later than 12 noon. I'm pretty much done with my Uber and Lyft work. There's a lot of things going on in the city, a lot of more money to make, but that's the time roads start to get a little bit more crowded. In the morning time, I can zag up and down 85, 25, 20. Don't run into no traffic. Around the surface streets, no traffic. So your time and traffic is less. There's more money you can make. I usually can make anywhere from $100 to $200 in 4 hours, just depending on how hard I go, how busy it is. But once I get my routine of getting to the airport, I can kind of get to the airport, pick somebody up, drop them off at a hotel, roll around the hotels downtown for a while, pick somebody up, checking out the hotel or condos, headed back to the airport, and rinse and repeat. So if you definitely want an airport trip, go to the airports around checkout time, between 9, 10, 11. Pick those people up, drop them off to the airport. And then airport, usually with Lyft, they do a double pickup. If you drop somebody off, they automatically match you with somebody leaving the airport. And airport pickups are always $2 or $3 more. So you make that extra bit, and you can rack up the money really, really quickly. All right. So we're almost at this pickup location. We're gonna see if we get a return trip once we drop them off at the airport. Boss up, baby.